Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we continue with our Tajweed workshop series. We will begin with module number 6, the rules of Mim Sakina. Don't forget to join Qiraat Club, our free Telegram group where you can practice what you've learnt, inshallah. Now we move on to rule number 3, inshallah. This is Izhar Shafawi. We've also learnt from the previous videos of the rule Sakina and Tanween that Izhar means to make clear. So if a Mim Sakina is followed by any letter other than a Mim or a Ba, then Izhar Shafawi applies. And the next letter needs to be read clearly by making both lips touch. Do note that whenever a Mim Sakina is followed by a Fa or a Waw, then the Izhar should be stronger, as Fa and Waw come from the same place in the mouth, the same makhraj, the same articulation point as the Mim. So we should make the Izhar a little bit stronger in order to avoid Ikhfa. For example, if I was to say Hum fiha khalidun, in the Hum fiha there's Mim Sakina followed by a Fa. I should read the Izhar a little bit stronger because Fa comes from the same place in the mouth as the Mim. And if I don't, there's a risk that I will do Ikhfa, or there's a risk that I will do Ghunna. For example, if I don't make it strong, Hum fiha, Hum fiha, there's a little ghunna, so I should make the ikhfa stronger. Hum fiha khalidun. This is sometimes called al-izhar al-mutlaq, complete izhar. This only applies whenever a Mim Sakina is followed by a Fa or a Waw. So now let's look at some examples of izhar shafawi, inshallah. We have salatihim sahun, salatihim, him. We have a Mim Sakina. Seen is not Ba and Seen is not Mim. So we will read the Mim clearly. Salatihim sahun. In the next example, hum an. We have a Mim Sakina and it is followed by an Ain. Ain is not Mim, Ain is not Ba. It is Ain. So we will read the Mim clearly as it's written. Hum an. Next we have hum yura'una. So we have hum. We have Mim Sakina followed by a Ya. Ya is not Ba, Ya is not Mim, Ya is Ya. So we will do Izhar Shafawi. Hum yura'una, hum yura'una, hum yura'una. And in the next example, alam yaj'al, we have a Mim Sakina followed by a Ya. Ya is not Ba, Ya is not Mim, Ya is Ya. Alam yaj'al, alam yaj'al, alam yaj'al. I'm doing Izhar, I'm closing my lips, pronouncing the Mim and making the Mim clear. And now we move on to hum fihi. We have a Mim Sakina, hum, and now we have a Fa. Fa is not Ba, Fa is not Mim, so we do Izhar Shafawi. But I did mention whenever we have a Mim Sakina followed by a Fa or Waw, then we do a bit more emphasis because Fa and Waw come from the same makhraj, the same articulation point. They live in the same place in the mouth and come from the same place as the Mim. So in order to avoid Ghunna and Ikhfa, we make it a little bit clearer, and this is called al-izhar al-mutlaq. If I read it without emphasis, it is hum fiha, hum fiha, hum. There's a little bit of ikhfa, ghunna going on. So I make the izhar a little bit more clear, a bit more emphasized, pronounced. Hum fiha, hum fiha, hum fiha, not hum fiha, because that way I'm falling a little bit into ghunna or ikhfa due to the same makhraj. And with that we come to the section number 3 of the video, the recap. So we've covered that Mim Sakina has 3 rules. If Mim Sakina is followed by a Ba, then we have Ikhfa Shafawi. So we do Ghunna for 2 harakat with a slight gap between our lips. So we have slight gap in lips. Whenever a meme sakina is followed by another meme, then we have idgham shafawi with ghunna for 2 harakat. And whenever meme sakina is followed by anything else, then we have izhar shafawi. So we read the meme clearly. Read meme clearly. But if it's followed by a waw or a fa, equals more emphasis, and this is called izhar mutlaq. So whenever we have a meme sakina followed by a ba, we will do ikhfa shafawi. We will do ghunna for 2 harakat, and we will do ikhfa of the meme between our 2 lips with ghunna for 2 harakat. Whenever we have a meme sakina followed by another meme, we will do idgham shafawi. We will completely merge the meme into the meme and read it with ghunna for 2 harakat. And whenever we have a meme sakina followed by any other letter, we will do izhar shafawi. We will read the meme clearly as it is. But if that letter is fa or waw, then we will put a little bit more emphasis in order to avoid ikhfa or in order to avoid ghunna, and that is called izhar mutlaq. So with that, we come to the end of this lesson. Please don't forget to practice and practice some more, and revise the videos and go over them. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And with that, we end this video. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama.